I have a Kia Soul here. Now that you have your hood open, if you're looking for the fuse and relay box, if you find your battery, it's just to the right of the battery, and there's two little tabs, and you can pop that open. You can see your fuses. You have a fuse puller, your relays. Underneath the cover, you'll see you have a diagram, and you also have some spare fuses. To put that back on, make sure you align it. You want to hear those snaps. Make sure it's on tight. You don't want any dust or debris. And as well as that one, there is also a fuse compartment inside the vehicle, right where your left knee would be. You're just going to grab right here, pull, and inside here you'll see you have more fuses. And there's a diagram for those underneath that cover. Hopefully this helps you find your fuses and relays on the Kia Soul. Thanks for watching, and as always, please like and subscribe.